Shifting focus to Karnataka, where the cabinet has held key meetings to discuss the findings of the decade-old socio-economic survey. The meet drew sharp reactions to the survey from a large section of the Congress's Lingayat and Vokkaliga MLAs. This over 55 of the Congress's 137 MLAs are from the two dominant blocks of the Karnataka polity. And there is a demand to sidestep the survey from the religious and political leadership of the two communities. The cabinet could consider negating the issue by referring the report to a subcommittee and thereby delaying any action on it further. The 2015 survey has been a politically delicate issue, as the survey findings could threaten the status quo in the state's power equations. Meanwhile, Deputy CM D.K. Shivakumar, who belongs to the OBC Vokkaliga caste, and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah represents the Ahinda Social Coalition, which is a counter to the power of the Vokkaligas and the Lingayat sect in the state of Karnataka. Here are some reactions on the story. Listen in.
Right now, give us more clarity. What did you have to say particularly in this cabinet meet? Because many leaders, especially your community leaders, kept raising objections for the last several years, including the last couple of days.
See, basically, what all the information the community leaders have got, I don't know. But the information, what the people are, it's there in the mind. It should be cleared.
Okay.
So what all the information the department has, and the information they are going to give it to the people, public, and you can see the report. If anything
So what's
is there,
in the report? So you're saying the Lingayat community doesn't need to be need apprehension?
Not only Lingayat, not only Vokkaligas, not only backward class, nothing like that. All the report will be clear through and it will be open.
So just give us one clarity, sir. The biggest concern was that the numbers of the Lingayats is being projected much lower in this survey. Is it or is it not?
No, it's not like that.
Okay.
See, for example, I will tell you in Sada community, they have showed 65,000 people in Sada Lingayat.
Okay.
Hindu Sadaru is shown 1,40,000.
Okay.
So that has to be adjusted.
Okay.
How, which side it has to go and all. So that they have to give the clarify.
Okay.
The department has to clarify.
Okay.
So like that all the communities are there.
So what's this next meeting about? Is it for seeking more clarity? Is it to seek the opinion of the ministers?
No. Now all the district administration or taluk administration, they are going to go through the detailed reports, and you can also have a report in your street. How many houses are there? You can also have the census.
So it will be made public?
Yeah, it's going to make public.
So this is decided in the cabinet to make it public?
Next cabinet, we are going to finalize everything.
But now it's not been finalized to make it public or not?
Now all the reports, it's in the CD, and that's going to come out now.
It is going to come out, so people will have access to this caste survey now?
Yeah.
ओके क्वेश्चंस तो दिया गया था कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स को, तो नेगेटिव कमेंट्स ना किया जाए क्या ये सर्वे के ऊपर या रिपोर्ट के ऊपर?
नहीं, जबकि कंप्लीट ही नहीं हुआ तो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव की बात ही नहीं आती। अभी जब डिस्कस
बहुत सारे कमेंट्स तो हो रहे थे, एमएलएस भी कमेंट्स कर रहे थे।
लोगों को डाउट है, वो अभी पूरा कंप्लीट रिपोर्ट ही नहीं आया। बाहर से लोग दिल में जो है वही बता रहे, मगर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। जब पूरा कंप्लीट आएगा ना, और उसको गलत रूट पे लेके जा रहे, कास्ट सेंसस बोल के। कास्ट सेंसस नहीं है वो, सोशली, इकोनॉमिकली और एजुकेशनली, उसके लिए वो सर्वे हुआ है। और अभी उसको कंप्लीट होने के लिए शायद 2 वीक लगेंगे। सभी मंत्री और सभी लोगों का
अपॉर्चुनिटी चाहिए,
सभी को अपॉर्चुनिटी चाहिए।
मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी का नंबर्स क्या करेक्टली दिखाया गया है ये सर्वे में?
नहीं, एज इट इज़ बताया गया है। जो पिछले 10 साल पहले था, आज भी वही बताया गया है। हमारा ओपिनियन है कि तो ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, 10 साल के बाद ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, और वो 10 साल पुराना सर्वे है। कुछ
फायरवर्क्स नहीं थे कैबिनेट का, बिकॉज बहुत सारे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि स्पेशली वोकलिगा और लिंगायत के जो मंत्री हैं थोड़े मुद्दे उठाएंगे, क्योंकि उनके कम्युनिटी से बहुत सारा प्रेशर था।
नहीं, अपना ओपिनियन दिए हैं, तो उसके लिए फिर इसके लिए नेक्स्ट वीक तक फिर से स्टडी करके जो है करेक्ट आंकड़े लेके बात करना।